What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best printer for Avery labels. When it comes to printing labels and stickers, you cannot expect a regular printer to produce sharp and crisp graphics. Selecting the right one is not easy. In this video, we will be discussing the top 5 printer for Avery labels. Number 1. HP OfficeJet 3830 Printer for Avery Labels. The OfficeJet 3830 is just another example of HP's skill in bringing out the best tech products. Compatible with HP Smart App, giving you easy access to all functions. Scanner, copier, and fax machine built into one unit. With HP's well-renowned Smart App, you can seamlessly control all these functionalities using your phone. When it comes to printing out high-quality pictures, compact design to take up less space. Number 2. Brother MFCL 2700 DW Printer for Avery Labels. The MFCL 2700 DW from Brother defies all expectations when it comes to printing speed. Copy, scan, fax functionalities are integrated into the printer. Supports wireless printing from mobile devices. In addition, the MFCL 2700 DW features a 250-sheet paper tray and a 35-page auto document feeder. Black and white scanning option in printing saves costs. Automatic duplex printing lets you print and scan simultaneously. Number 3. HP Envy 5055 Printer for Avery Labels. Envy 5055 is considered to be an all-around high-functioning printer, scanner, and copier. Improved connectivity modules ensure a steady internet connection. Compatible with 6 different sizes of paper. Plus, this also helps in maintaining a stable connection and preventing drops in connection, which might lead to error in printing. Monochrome touchscreen control panel complements the aesthetic. Cloud printing functionality through the HP Smart App. Number 4. Rollo Label Printer for Avery Labels. If you're on the lookout for a label printer that is fast and affordable, then this printer from Rollo is just the one for you. No toner or ink cartridges needed due to thermal technology. The easy-to-install procedure with tutorial videos. Also, Rollo has taken the liberty of introducing a customer service plan dedicated to helping you set this printer up. Adjustable width and height settings for different label sizes. Compatible with both Windows and Mac. Number 5. DYMO Label Printer for Avery Labels. With the looks of a futuristic R2D2, this next label printer from DYMO outperforms any other in the market. The speed and quality of printing is one that will leave you in awe. Does not require toner or ink cartridges, which saves costs. In addition, the friendly user interface of the DYMO software lets you configure your label size and settings easily from your laptop. Direct thermal printing creates high-contrast labels with exact text. Added support for Microsoft Office packages for designing labels.